Men and women look at many situations differently. We at Creepy World would like to tell you about 7 phrases whose meanings will not be the same depending on the gender. Read and remember that it's not about rights or wrongs, it's just that we're different. Him. For a man, any dialogue means an issue to be solved. So if they hear this phrase, then something went wrong, and they get tense. Her. Communication for a woman is a means of bonding with her partner. Therefore, an offer to talk may not bear any purpose, and a rejection upsets her. Him. Men better perceive information by silently contemplating the subject matter, often seeming inattentive because of that, but in fact listening closely. Her. A woman usually expresses her concern by gestures and exclamations, taking the talk personally. Men often don't understand such behavior and can even get annoyed. Him. Men dislike sharing their victories and aren't very good at teamwork. They will be reluctant to agree to such a proposition. Her. Scientists say the hormone oxytocin makes women more social. It's important for them to do things together because that's how they prove to themselves that they're not alone. Him. Men rarely say it with any implication. Usually, they actually need quiet to get over stress or think over a problem. Her. There's a joke about a woman who is keeping silent and thinking it's a punishment for her husband. And that's true. Women often try to manipulate men with silence, while their partners simply don't understand such behavior. Him. Men are worse at switching their attention than women. Later is a neutral word for them because their mind might be busy with something else. Her. Multitasking is common for women, and they can easily switch back and forth between tasks. That's why a suggestion to discuss something later sounds like an insult to them. Him. Men are less emotional, and this is also reflected in their speech. They have fewer epithets in their everyday vocabulary, and words like okay or fine are normal for them. Her. A woman says about 20,000 words a day, which is 1.5 times more than a man does. To express every emotion vividly, ladies use words like extraordinary, marvelous, and so on, while okay can be perceived as rude. Him. When a man says he's up to a man's business, he probably can't find the right words to describe it or, as is often the case too, is just embarrassed. Her. Something specifically male rarely gets a positive reaction from a woman. Firstly, her partner won't be needing his team for a while, which is so important for women. Secondly, men are believed to be polygamous, and women often think that a man's business means searching for a new woman.